right, today we're going to be working with square numbers. Let's go ahead and take a look at this first slide. So I want you to take a look at these numbers here in the front. Which numbers in here are square numbers? Some of these numbers have something in common with one another. If you don't know what a square number is, you need to be kind of thinking here. So you have to, I'm going to circle the numbers that are in common. 36 is in common with a 1. 3 is not a part of this. 21 is not a part of this. 6 is not a part. 8 is not. 81 is a square number. 16 is a square number. 25 is a square number. 4 is a square number. 7 is not. 5 is not. I want you to kind of take a look now. What do these numbers have in common to make a square number? We're going to go back to what we were working on earlier in this unit with rectangular arrays. A square number means, so this number is 1 times 1 equals 1. 1's a square number because we only have one dot in it. Let's take a look at 36. 6 times 6 equals 36. The reason it's a square number is because we have 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have 6 columns, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, kids, we have a square. 4, we have 2 times 2 equals 4. It makes a perfect square. 25, 5 times 5 equals 25. That's why 5 is a square number. I'm not going to make a rectangular array for each one of these, but I think you're kind of getting the hang of it. 81, we get 9 times 9. 16, we have 4 times 4. The reason why 3 is not a square number is because we don't have the same number multiplied by each other to get 3. To get to 21, we don't have the same number. 7 times 3 equals 21. They're not the same number. That's why 21 is not a square number. Let's take a look at a couple more of these. Find other square numbers. So we know 1 is a square number. Is 2 a square number? 2 times 2 doesn't equal 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. These aren't the same numbers, so 2 is not a square number. 3 is not a square number because 1 times 3 equals 3. The same number doesn't multiply to get to 3. And is 4 a square number? 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 is a square number. Keep on going here. Today you're going to be working with a math journal page that goes as so. As you can see, they have the first ones done for you. 1, 4, 9, 16. Take a look. This is 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4. They ask you which square number is going to be next. Well, whatever 5 times 5 is will be your next number. Then they want you to make a rectangular array of it here on the side. Next, they want you to list all the numbers, all the square numbers through 100. Please keep in mind, kids, the top of the page here, we have 1, 4, 9, and 16, and whatever number this is, and then we're going to keep on going to answer those questions. Can a square number be a prime number? I want you to think about that. Can a square number be a prime number? Think about what you remember about prime numbers. Remember, it's just only the number 1 and the number itself. Okay? Remember, 1 is not a prime number. 1 is undefined. And keep on looking here. You're going to work a little bit with exponents today. You're going to be using a calculator. First of all, you're going to be taking a look here. Take a look at this example. We have 4 times 4, 4 to the second power. Whenever you have a little number, and an exponent up to the side, and a little number, that means, for example, it means 7 times 7. It doesn't mean 7 plus 7. It means 7 times 7. This is a common mistake kids have in the past. Let's say I have 6 to the second power. They always want to put the number 12 because they multiply 6 times 2. This is incorrect, kids. Keep in mind, 6 to the second power means 6 times 6, which we know would equal 36. This is a square number. You're also going to be working, actually I'm going to take this page back here. Take a look at the bottom of this page. You're going to be using some calculator practice today. Okay? When you're using your calculator, you're going to be finding what each of these equal. I'm going to show you exactly what to type into your calculator. You're going to type in numbers. If I'm trying to find 8 squared, I'm going to type in P8. I'm going to type the multiplication symbol. I'm going to type key 8 again, and then the enter symbol. That's one way of solving it. That will give you 64. Another way of solving the problem by using your exponent. You're going to go ahead and press symbol 8. I'm going to show you this here. This is even faster. Symbol 8. By the way, I'm trying to find out 8 squared. Symbol 8. You're going to press the little symbol that looks like this. And then you're going to press 2. And then the enter symbol. I want you to try that on your calculator. If you do that, you should get a 64 as your answer. You're also going to be working on a study link today. It says fill in the missing numbers. Keep in mind, I want to know what this number equals. I do not want 4 squared for this answer. Please tell me what 4 times 4 equals. I want to know what 8 squared equals. I don't want it to be 8 times 8. That is incorrect. Please do not put that as your answer there. That's just a common mistake. You solving the rest of this? Perfect. All right, good luck with your square numbers today.